Because I'm gonna be playing this game, and bro, are you serious? It happened like 3 times already. Disconnect. Fake. Oh wait, I'm connecting. Wait, 6 people in G? Okay. Anyways, I have this much money, and I'm not telling anyone because they're gonna say.
Why would you say that?
Okay, let me see my challenge.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you next time. He's in.
Today's video, I'm maybe going to haunted house. Oh my! Okay, I'm gonna go
I'm
to
coming with you, Reds.
Hey! Oh, there's something over there. There's something over there.
Be careful, I hear the ghost.
Please, stop following me, please! I wanna go by myself.
Halloween thing?
I'm in, bro.
I wanna go by myself. I wanna what? I'm scared of people.
Bro, the Halloween thing?
I forgot. They don't have any.
Yeah, the Halloween haunted house. Where are you guys? Where are you?
I'm in haunted house, but no one.
We're coming.
Okay, I can't.
Where are you?
Okay. Okay, let me find yellow key.
Just have something spooky ass, bro.
Speed one. Spell. Speed.
Okay, where exactly are you?
Speed one time. Speed one time.
We're kind of like we're near the haunted house. It's where like the red.
Let me see what happens. Yellow
I have something
key.
spooky. No.
Okay, I'm
So
scared.
in the skull where no one.
I'm
We're kind of
scared.
like where the red light and green light in front of the like
Oh, mommy,
X
please.
shaking.
I changed my mind. I want people now. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the haunted house.
Spooky again.
What's that noise?
We
Hello.
got $23.
Oh my god, I don't care about $23, bro. Oh. Yellow key.
Yo, why is the freaky why is the like ghost lady outside the mansion? What? Sorry.
Umbrella.
Oh, that means
There's a
they're
freaking...
stalking. That's what those
Oh.
stinky noises were.
The eyes, that's what you have to do.
Yes, that.
There's some... Yeah,
I'm
man.
gonna keep flashing my light.
Bro, why is this
Flash, I
goddamn...
heard you.
Hey, bum guy, I'm bum guy. I don't even know where his name is, bro. This way. I'm scared. Mommy, please.
Unmute her.
Oh, it's a yellow
Do
key.
any of y'all know where to find the game?
These
Cause someone at least go to you freaking hunt. I dropped my controller! I dropped my controller! Okay, hold on, wait. Oh my god!
laptop.
Bro, I dropped my controller so hard. Hold
Your
up.
light.
I got my controller back. We're all good, Oh, I got too scared, my hands are so
That's
thick. Can someone go to haunted house?
an idiot. Stolen.
Yellow key, what is this
I'm
box?
coming over to Haunted Mansion.
I don't like the noise. She was whispering in my ears. Ease.
That's what I did. Get me over, get me over.
Can someone come to haunted houses?
Guys.
Hello? Eee, I hear bugs. Oh my god!
Yo,
Can someone get to haunted house, bro? I'm gonna piss my pants. Shit.
Well, that's just ugly. Oh my god. It's ugly.
Key. Wait, I'm not turning my flashlight anymore. I changed my mind. Hello? Okay.
Does anybody know where to find the
Wait, key.
bin box?
Oh, what the heck? Where am I going? Hold up. So, the nearest door is right here.
I
If I
killed.
The ghost lady's right here. The ghost lady's right
How do you turn this way?
here. The ghost lady's right there.
How do you turn this way?
Right here, right over there.
There's a key.
Shine your light this
This
way.
makes no sense. The key is right here. The key is right there. Wait, unless there's a door right here.
Does anyone want to
Wait,
do
wait.
the money
I found
glitch?
it.
I do.
Okay, let me
Then
speed.
come to
Go.
If you want to do the to computer. Miss Ghost Lady is this boomer
Oh, please let me out of here.
What the?
I hate this.
If you wanna do the mighty glitcher, go.
Guys, what map is this, bro? 'Cause- guys, what is the low gravity 2.0 looking heart thing?
This ghost lady, where's this ghost lady?
Is that a heart? I can't tell.
I glitch me. I glitch
I
myself.
glitch me. I glitch
Where
me.
I-
I glitch me.
Gravity.
Ah, my eyes. Can we buy these? My eyes. I got. Okay, I'm gonna go back to save zone so before. Hold on, what if I just doink? Doink.
Bruh.
I'm not trying to kill, bro. You wanna get killed off the save zone? Were they dating?
No. No.
6-4.
Oh shit! I just the umbrella.
And then join.
Okay.
Then join me. Bro, now join me.
Okay. Let me just.
Who was this? Who was
Hold
this?
on. Let
Who
me.
was this?
Okay, thank you so much for watching. I think they can hear me, but I don't want to make them know that I'm recording a video right now because they would say, "Can I be in the video right there?" Okay, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, bye. Well, shut up!